Bakery-Style Blueberry Muffins, crumb topping, bursting with berries, and completely allergy-friendly. Let's make them. We're going to start with the crumb topping so it's ready to go. Flour, sugar, and cinnamon, then cold non-dairy butter gets worked in with a fork until it looks like coarse sandy crumbs. Cold butter is key here. It's what gives you those chunky, crispy bites on top. Set it aside while we make the rest of the batter. We're going to start with the dry ingredients. We're going to add flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Whisk them together so everything is evenly distributed before the wet ingredients go in. In a separate bowl, we're going to put some applesauce, some oil, vanilla, and some oat milk. The applesauce is doing double duty here, replacing both the eggs and keeping the muffins incredibly moist. Whisk until it's all combined. Now we're going to put the wet into the dry ingredients, and here's the most important thing. Don't overmix. Stir until you don't see any dry flour. Lumps are completely fine. Overmixing tends to develop the gluten, and you'll end up with tough, dense muffins instead of the tender bakery-style ones. Blueberries go in last. Fold them in gently. Whether using fresh or froze them, treat them carefully. You want whole berries in every bite, not purple batter. Divide the batter into the lined muffin tin. I'm using a cookie scoop just so that the muffins come out the same size, and then a scoop of topping right over the batter into a 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Break them open, give them a little bit of extra vegan butter on there, makes them super delicious. Full recipe is linked below. No eggs, no dairy, no nuts. Still perfect every time. Hope you enjoy.